Health officials pushing everyone to get vaccinated. Tonight, we look at the ethics behind that decision. Good evening. I'm Heather Armstrong.
And I'm Dustin Lukey. As COVID cases surge, those health officials are continuing to urge people to get their vaccines.
News 19's Riley Kine spoke with one local doctor to examine the ethics of workplaces requiring employees to get the shot.
Dr. Thomas Harder, Director of Bioethics and Humanities at Gunderson Health System, says vaccinations are a way to help the entire population from getting sick. However, individuals have a right to choose whether to get vaccinated or not.
But there's a counter argument here, and that is you have that right not to get vaccinated, but you also don't have the right to put other people at risk.
He says when it comes to requirement of vaccination in businesses and healthcare, there are things to think through. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission has stated that there is no federal law that prevents an employer from requiring vaccination, as long as they are complying with other acts.
From a legal perspective, there is going to be some question about that, right? Because there are people who are going to say, I have a religious objection, I have a philosophical objection, I have a medical objection. You can't tell those individuals right now, broadly speaking, you have to get vaccinated or you lose your job. But you can say you have to be vaccinated to do your job.
Dr. Harder says there are certain parts of our jobs that you don't get to do unless you meet the requirements of that, which are in place for reasons. He says the reasons for not wanting to get vaccinated, like not having enough information or the vaccines being experimental, are fading away.
So what are you left with? Well, I just don't want to get vaccinated. Okay, there's a lot of things I don't like to do either, but I still have to do them as part of my work.
But it's not just workplaces that could be requiring vaccinations.
A number of colleges and universities have already announced and plan on making immunization with a COVID vaccine mandatory.
How many will require this is still unknown. Reporting in La Crosse, Riley Kine, News 19.